At Big Ass Fans, the quality assurance process is monitored daily and through all life stages of a fan. Providing customers with a quality product is priority one.
Product safety and durability are primary considerations when we're evaluating any ideas for a new fan. It's easy to come up with an idea for a fan, but we really have to be concerned about the applications that these are going into. These are not your living room ceiling fans. This is pretty serious equipment.
In this initial design phase, Big Ass Fans engineers draw on experiences with past models to evaluate relative strengths and weaknesses of materials used in all components of the fan, from hub to motor to variable frequency drive controller.
Fortunately, we've collected field data since we began in 1999. So we can use this data along with the collective experience of our engineering staff to make conservative and smart decisions of how we go about designing the next fan.
We start meeting with a cross-functional team made up of all departments so we can capture the voice of the customer and lessons learned from past models. We evaluate the design on the table. We've taken everything we've learned in the past and apply it to that design, thinking of possible failures, internal and external to the part, and how we can design that out.
Once a basic design is roughed out and initial drawings take shape, the tedious task of structural and stress analysis on prototype models begins.
Structural analysis of components can be a very time-consuming process. The idea is to try to identify weak areas in various components so that we can strengthen them before we get into a production situation. I'm sure that some of our suppliers would prefer that we weren't quite so particular about it, but we have to be concerned about our own customers.
The hub tab flex tester in front of me is used to simulate a fan turning on and off. When a fan is turned on at full speed, the blades will rise, and when it is turned off, the blades will lower again. We are able to simulate that same process by using a pneumatic cylinder that is controlled by arm to the tab. And as of in testing right now, we haven't broken a hub. And as you can see, this tab right in front of me is over 188,000 cycles, and that is cycles of turning it on and off.
When satisfied that the best parts have been selected to ensure the longest and safest operation times, the research and development and quality assurance teams turn their attention to the production line.
We look at all the attributes of the product and how we can affect those on the line during the assembly process. Then we test to make sure that all our processes are a value-added step to the product, and in the end the customer is getting the same exact product we designed to begin with.
After completing the design and process analyses, safety protocols are put into place. During the manufacturing process, these protocols are monitored daily, ensuring the top quality standard is upheld with each fan that rolls off the line.
Every fan is inspected by 4 operators on the line. Each operator is looking for something different: proper torque on bolts, proper welds and finish, as well as any special requests made by the customer. A final inspection is done by our line leader before the fan is packaged for shipping.
Once a control panel is completely built and wired, we go through a complete functional test to make sure that everything is going to work. We test every control panel so that when it gets in the field, our customer will be able to fire it up and it'll work right out of the box.
The process of ensuring safety and durability in the ultimate product never ends. Constantly looking for ways to improve upon their product lines, Big Ass Fans works with select customers to continually monitor fans even once they are in the field.
Some of the most significant improvements we've been able to make have come from inspecting fans that have been in service with our customers and trying to improve on the experiences that they've had. Periodically, our quality team goes into the field and brings fans back in, which are completely disassembled and inspected for wear and tear. This enables us to make even better fans in the future.
Our customers should not be concerned with the safety of the product or the quality of the product, because that's what we do. We ensure the quality is there and that the safety is there, and we deliver to the customer exactly what they want. And that's what quality is, giving the customer exactly what they want.